Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Mala Chhetri and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup on this channel. So I'm here with another traditional look, and this is a Gujarati traditional look for Garba night or for Dandiya night, and it's even a Navratri traditional look. Yes. So I am quite liking how this look turned out, and I have never done such look on this channel yet, and this is for the first time and I'm so excited. I like all these bindis and silver jewelries, bangles, and yes, and even Navratri is around the corner, and yes, wish you a very happy Navratri in advance. So yeah, if you liked this look, then please keep watching. Okay, the first thing I'm going to use is this Color Bar a Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. अगर makeup करना हो तो primer is must. So I'm going to apply this primer all over my face. Next, I'm going to use HD Liquid Foundation by PAC, and I'm in the shade 1.9. Now I'm going to blend my foundation with this damp beauty blender. Always remember to damp your beauty blender before you blend your makeup, because it will help your makeup to mix with your skin very smoothly. Now I'm going to move straight into my eyes, and to prime my eyelids I'm going to apply this concealer, and it's from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 25 medium. And to set the concealer I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Super Fresh Compact Powder. Now next I'm going to move straight into the eyeshadow, and I'm using the Pearl Eyeshadow by Mars Cosmetics, and these are the colors. These are all matte. I think there's two shimmery colors, but the sari colors are matte, and I am going to use these two colors first. I guess these and these. I think I'm going to mix it and I'm going to put it all over my eyes. Okay, so by taking these two color mixing, I have done the eyelid part. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm going to take this shade. It's a little darker. Since it's नवरात्रि मेकअप लुक, तो ऑफ कोर्स और थोड़ा सा ग्लिटर एंड थोड़ी सी सिमरी तो होना ही चाहिए आंखों में, वरना इट वॉन्ट लुक गुड. सो for the shimmer color I'm going to take this palette here from Hilary Rhoda. I think I've used this in my last video as well. So I'm going to take this color here. It's in a purple shimmer की ये shade है. मैंने ये शिमर सिर्फ इनर कॉर्नर पे लगाया है to give that cut crease वाला eye look, but I haven't done any cut crease here. So yeah, you can create it in this way as well without doing cut crease. I'm going to take this color again, and I'm going to intensify the color, the shade on the outer corner of my eyes. So my eyes are pretty much done. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. So the mascara is done. Now I'm going to apply false shades and off camera, because I'm not good at applying it and it takes a lot of time for me to apply it. But yeah, I think I'm going to get used to it, because now I'm just loving how the false shades, it totally change your look and it totally change your eyes. So yes, I'll be right back after applying my falsies. So my eyelashes are done, and you can just see the difference. Like after applying falsies, totally change your eyes. Okay, now I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'm going to fill my brows in with. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to apply concealer on my under eyes, and I set it with the Maybelline New Yorker compact powder. I think I'm going to complete my eyes first because I haven't applied anything on the lower lash line. So first I'm going to apply the kajal, and I am going to apply this kajal from Color Bar. It's a Scandal kajal, and it's in the shade Black 001. Now with this brush I'm going to smoke the kajal. My eyes look super black, and now I'm going to apply this mascara onto my lower eyelashes. So my eyes are done. Now I'm going to paint my face a little bit and bring my face into shape because it looks really flat. And yeah, to contour my face, this time I'm going to use a stick contour, and it's from NYA. And it's in the brown shade. The shade name is Toffee, and it's 6. I'm going to apply the blush, and I am going to use my favorite Color Bar blush in the shade Rosy Peach 03. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force highlighter, and I'm in the shade 04 Royal Rose. I'm even going to use the highlighter on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so everything is pretty much done now. I just think that I should apply a little bit of purple on my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to use this shade here onto my lower eyelashes. Now I'm okay with the whole look. Next I'm going to apply lipstick. First I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner, and it's from Wet n Wild Crayon Contour Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Chestnut. And now I'm going to apply the lipstick, and I'm going to use this lipstick, and it's from Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color, and I'm going to use the shade M304 Mysterious Mocha. This is how the shade looks like. So my makeup is complete. Now I'm going to do that, that वो जो लगाते गुजराती लोग नवरात्रि में यहाँ पे and bindi of Canva, and I'll be bye. Okay, so I'm so in love with this look, how it turned out. I hope आपको दिख रहा हो, I'm sure. तो अब मैं फिर से ऑफ कैमरा जाती हूँ और अपनी ज्वेलरीज पहन के फिर वो वापस आती हूँ. So my look is complete. I wore all these silver jewelries, bangles, and this dupatta as well. And yes, I am really happy how this look turned out, and it looks so good. I mean, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. So yes, if you like this look and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as it would motivate me to create more new content on this channel. So yes, yeah, I see you soon on my next video, as it will be up on the next week. So yes, stay tuned and bye.